Hey guys, to prepare the easiest fried tilapia, you need tilapia fish, of course. So these were frozen and then we defrosted it, and it is medium-sized tilapia. For the seasoning, we are going to use onion granules, garlic granules, and ground ginger. We are also going to add all-purpose seasoning and also some salt to taste. For this recipe, we are also going to add extra hot chili powder and of course some fish seasoning. We are also going to use vegetable oil, but you could use the oil you prefer. In your bowl, add the fish and half a tablespoon of salt. Next, add half a tablespoon of garlic granules or garlic powder if you don't have this one. You can now also add half a tablespoon of ground ginger. You can now add half a tablespoon of fish seasoning, half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning or everyday seasoning, whichever you have. And now last but not least, we are going to add half a tablespoon of extra hot chili powder. Now wash your hand and mix the fish and the seasoning together. Please be careful of the fish bones because it can be very painful. So this is it now. Our fish is ready to be fried, nicely spiced. So now in a frying pan or a pan big enough, add in fresh vegetable oil. So about maybe 300 ml of vegetable oil. And then add in a little bit of plain flour. We are doing this because we do not want our fish to stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, and when the oil is hot enough, you can start frying your tilapia. Please do not overcrowd the oil or else your oil is going to be very cold and the fish will stick to the bottom. So this is one tip. Alright, so after your fish has been frying on one side for about 5 to 7 minutes, you can turn them over to fry the other side. Alright guys, our fish is ready now and we are going to take it out from the oil and let it drain on kitchen towel. By the way, some people like their fish very crunchy, so if you are one of those, you can leave it to fry a bit longer on both sides, but we don't like it that hard. You want it to be a little bit soft. So this is it, guys. We hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. So this is a quick way to fry tasty tilapia. So this is stress-free and we really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos, leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.